Let's talk about size and scaling. If I've got an image that I got from the camera, okay, do I take that image as is, compress and send over the network? And then on the other side, I scale it down because I don't need that size on the other side? Or would I rather take that image, use a smaller version of it scaled down on my end, send that over the network on a lower bitrate, and then scale it up? Let's see. If I take that large image received on the other side and scale it down, okay? The first thing is that, well, I've got a high quality image that I now scale down. On the other hand, I'm going to lose a lot of energy because I needed to encode a bigger resolution. I need to send it over larger bandwidth, more bitrate for that. And I needed to decode it, and in the end, also scale it down. So a lot more energy is being spent across the pipeline between the two users. On one hand, the sender, and on the other hand, the receiver. If I scale it up on the other side, on the other hand, what happens is that I'm going to lose the sharpness of the image the moment that I scale it up on the receiver end. So I'm going to lose some quality. What I gain, though, is bandwidth and the energy on the decoder side. I need to decode less. I also need to encode less because I scale down to begin with. So in most cases, I'd rather scale up to a factor of 2 than scale down. Okay, that's how I would choose on the SFU which bit stream to send to which user based on what the display area on that user is. So size does matter. Now, I want to leave you at the end of this video with one last question. And that, is there another thing, another hidden gem that we can use and exploit for improving our group calling quality? And until then, you can follow me at bloggeek.me.